Hey y'all, I'm back with another preset video. Today I'm gonna be showcasing my Che preset. All y'all need to know is that there's a main preset and there's a link preset where you link it to. There's no recording preset, no nothing. So here's the song where I'm showcasing the preset.
What's the principle? Let her see a dancer. I fuck with her manner. I fuck with her aura. Fuck to depart. Fuck with Zodiac, that's suicide. Seeing you through my eyes. I see your demise. Let's go for a ride. Tell you this I tried. So tell you this I tried. Kneel and pray to God. I give up your life. Give me your demise. Santa, you know why? Look into my eyes, but at least I tried. It's not a surprise. I'm in fear, I put a walk in the fire. Company, they think it's pretty good. I'm really pretty good. I'll make you.
There's a preset. There's the song. Main preset, link chain preset. You don't really need most of this stuff on here, by the way. But the link is gonna be in the bio. It's in the Discord for free.